Hello, welcome, and in this video I'll show you how to perform a soft reset without losing your data on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do that, just go to settings, find general, scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. And now you can just press reset or erase all content and settings. This will obviously erase all content and settings. When you press reset, you will find some reset options right here that you can choose. And that's pretty much it. Or you can also back up your files using the iCloud backup, which is in your account tab, and when you press iCloud you'll be able to perform a iCloud backup and just do a full hard reset of your iPhone, which I would recommend if it's needed. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.